wonder what the dogs are barking out. It's a bit eerie out here, eh? Get the heater going. It's cold out here, freezing. So I've been getting into astrophotography, which has been really good. Man, I can't wait to show you guys these shots. His hands warmed up. These photos that I'm going to take tonight, it's just on my phone, my Motorola Edge 60 Pro I use for all my content. Beautiful night. The Milky Way tonight is absolute pumping. Scorpius, Libra's pumping. Lots of dogs barking out here, so I'll try and show you guys.